Hello, my name is Lewis Tyler, Managing Editor of International Fire and Safety Journal. Delighted to be here on the Securiton stand at the Fire and Safety event, and also delighted to be joined by Adrian Liechti, Vice President of Sales. Adrian, good to see you. How's the show been so far?
Thank you, Lewis. Well, the show, we have second day here at Fire Safety event in Birmingham. Happy to be back. We have been joining this show for quite a while. It's going well. As you can see, we have quite a lot of visitors at the exhibition, and it's going well. Thank you.
And then just in terms of what you're actually showing here, because we've been through the stand, there's a lot to show. What products are really standing out this year for Securiton?
Well, we are showcasing our newest aspirating smoke detection system, the ASD 2000. It's in an innovation we are launching this year. We are a pioneer in aspirating smoke detection system, more than 50 years of experience. And after the very successful existing product, the ASD 535, we are launching the ASD 2000 this year all over the world.
So it's global, all over the world.
Yeah.
And in terms of some of the specifications, what makes it different from previous launches?
Well, the ASD 2000 is not only, a touch-up of the existing product, it is a total new development. So it starts with the number of channels available, it starts with the housing, starts with the design, it goes into the fan that is completely new, the detector that is completely new, the airflow sensor completely new, all the electronics is new, all the software tools is new app. So we have redone it all. We really said it's the time we need to make the step in the next generation with everything. So completely new product range.
And you mentioned there the technological aspect, the next step. For Securiton, do you really see, that era of connectivity starting now? Do you see yourselves as the pioneers in this kind of technology?
Absolutely, yeah. We are also our industry, the fire alarm industry. We need to follow the global trends, also in terms of connectivity and follow that trend as well. And that's what we did the same way here. Same with the app configuration, which is common in other industries. We need to follow that, and that's what we did. Completely app steered and controlled.
So for a user kind of interface and for the end users, how does the app work? How can it interact with the system?
Well, the app is, you are connected with Bluetooth with the device, which is a common standard nowadays. And then on the ASD itself, you have the possibility to distract all kind of data, directly with the app, download it onto your cell phone. You can forward it with WhatsApp or email. So you have a really easy data download possibility. That is really nice. And then, of course, in our industry, Modbus is the most common interface, where you can network the devices, connect it to management systems and other systems. So that is common in our industry. It offers also various interfaces.
And obviously you said it's a global launch, it's a new launch. In terms of the early feedback that you've got from the industry, from the end users, what are they saying? What really stands this apart?
Well, the launch has been really fun, I have to say. It's as a sales manager and also as a sales team, it's very, I would say, motivating when you can launch such a new product, an innovation, when everything is new, and not only the housing or not only the design, really everything is new. And it is very well perceived by the market. We are receiving excellent feedback. Our customers are happy. We're showing the future of aspirating detection with Securiton, and of course, our customers and potential customers are very happy to see that.
And of course, trade shows like this, they're really a hotbed for kind of feedback and future development. What's the feedback been on the show floor as to the ASD 2000? What are customers or potential customers saying to you that they like about it?
Well, one of the main reasons we are participating in exhibitions, we are living in a digital world and everything's in social media. And which is great, actually. We are very active on social media. But an exhibition is a place where you can actually physically showcase the product, and customers like to see it in person. They like to touch it. They like to open it. They like to, work on it. And that's a great possibility in an exhibition to do so. And not only electronically showing the product, but actually physically showing the product. So that is well perceived. by the
And then
customers.
I know that we've kept you quite a long time. The stand's really busy, but I just wanted to go through perhaps some of the other things you're showing at the show. Securiton have a wide product range. So what else stands out here at FSE for you?
Well, one of the products we're as well showcasing is our off-gas detection system. It's a gas detection system mainly for battery rooms. There's as well a global trend going on in battery storage, which is massive. It's a market that is growing rapidly. And so here we have as well a product that goes hand in hand with aspirating smoke detection in battery rooms. That's as well pretty new what we are showcasing here in Birmingham.
And obviously you said there's been a boom, so can we expect more of this type of product from Securiton in the future?
Absolutely. Yeah, not only this product, but also the journey in aspirating detection continues. And we even have another very exciting product we're going to launch next year, but we have to wait a bit until you see it.
I won't probe too much, but Adrian, really appreciate your time.
Thank you, Louis.
Enjoy the rest of the